All right, this is a very interesting question on measuration. The length of a rectangle is increased by 10% and its breadth is decreased by 10%. By what percent is this area changed? All right, I will give a short formula to solving this kind of problem. Now, if we are told that the length of a rectangle is increased by whatever percent, we'll say let the length increase the x percent. If the length increase of a rectangle is s percent, for instance, and the breadth increase, let me use the increase first. The breadth increase is y percent. So the net increase in area will be x plus y plus xy over 100 times percentage. That will be the net increase. So if you are now told that the length increase and the breadth decrease, it means your y here now, since the y decrease, your y now will now be minus. You have x minus y. Now x1 now the y reduce, so minus times plus will now give you minus there. X y over 100%. That is, if we are told that the y decrease, like in this case now, the length increase. Since the length increases, the s remain positive, but the breadth decreases. So the breadth now will now change to minus. And now when the breadth is now minus, now minus times plus will now give you minus. So this is the formula you'll be using for this case. Now, should the case you are told that the length and the breadth they decrease, the length and the breadth they decrease. So it means we have minus x minus y, because both of them decrease. This is minus, this is minus. Minus times minus will now give us plus. So here will be plus xy over 100%. So take note of these three situation, of the three situation. If both of them decreases, then this is what we'll be using. If the length increase and the breadth decreases, as this case is now, this is what we'll be using. If both of them increases, this is what we'll be using. So because the length increased by 10, so here will be 10, and the breadth decreases by 10, so y will be 10 minus 10, then minus, this will now be 10 times 10 over 100. So whatever you have, that will be the increase in area. So 10 minus 10 is 0, as the case may be, right? 10 minus 10 is 0. And of course, 10 times 10 is 100. 100 divided by 100 is 1. And 0 minus 1, this is what I'm saying. 0 minus 10 times 10 is 100. 100 divided by 100 is 1. So 0 minus 1 is minus 1. Minus 1. So your answer would be minus 1%. So the percentage change is minus 1, which means the area decreases. That's the meaning. The percentage change in the area is that it decreases. So our answer is minus 1 in this case.